Welcome to A&A Driving School. Today I'm going to cover another test route from Huddersfield Test Centre. So let's start the test route. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon button for the next upcoming videos. So as I'm driving out of the test centre, going through the green gates, I'm going to turn right. So I check centre mirror, right mirror, signal right, and I position the car in the middle. Look both sides clear, and go around the cars into the left lane, and I'm going to turn next left. Check center mirror, left mirror, signal left. Check right side is clear. I'm going to turn left again, so mirror checks, signal left. My right side is clear, so I don't need to stop, so I carry on driving. So the oncoming cars have priority, so I will stop at the giveaway lines to let the cars go past. Follow the arrows in the middle of the road and then come back to your side. Another giveaway junction, so I slow down. When you have cars parked in front of you, please don't follow the cars at this point. Just wait for the cars to clear the road for you, and then you can continue. The red car trying to get out, but it was waiting for me to go past, so I carried on. Guys, remember, when you have a situation where you have cars parked on both sides of the road, slow down, reduce your speed. This truck trying to turn into the road, so I'll just slow down, let the truck take the turn. So at the roundabout, we are going straight ahead, second exit. So as you can see, the cars parked on both sides of the road. So I'm expecting if there's a car coming from the opposite side, they're gonna come onto my side of the road. So I reduced my speed and looked. At this traffic light, I'm going straight ahead. So give myself enough room so that I don't block the cars on the right side, as there's a bus stop on my left side, on my right side. guys, 30-mile road, so keep up with the speed limit. Pedestrian crossing, slow down, scan both sides of the road. It's clear, so I continue. At this traffic light, I'm going straight ahead, please. So you can see far ahead, there's cars parked on my side of the road, and there's cars parked on the opposite side of the road. So I need to establish priority. So this car in the middle is already there before me, so he's going first. Now that the road is clear, I'm going in the middle of the road and I continue with my drive. So I see an oncoming car, so assess the gap, see how big the road is. If the road is wide enough, you don't need to stop for that car, so you can continue. I'm turning left at the mini roundabout, check center mirror, left mirror, signal left. Look to my right side is clear, so I don't need to stop. I can see pedestrian crossing, so drop my speed, ease off the gas, scan both sides of the road, it's clear. I'll pick up my speed and carry on. At the traffic light, I'm going to turn right, so check center mirror, right mirror, signal right. So the reason I signaled here is because there's single lane and then it splits into two lanes. So you need to tell the people behind you which lane are you going to go on. So I want to move into the right lane, so that's the reason I signaled. Again, pedestrian crossing, scan both sides of the road. If it's clear, continue. So I'm approaching this traffic light. I'm going straight ahead at this traffic light. And if you look on the road, there's a marking, an arrow pointing to the right. So that means you can go right only. To be able to go straight ahead, you have to avoid that arrow. You have to avoid going on top of the arrow. So you have to turn the car slightly to the left side, and then you can carry on straight ahead. So I will show you how you do that properly. So I'm moving off. So as you can see, this car stopped on the right arrow. So I move to the left here, and then I continue straight ahead. Remember, if you go onto the top of the arrow to go straight ahead, you will fail your test. So you have to make sure that you avoid the right arrow and go to the left to be able to go straight. Approaching the roundabout, I'm turning left, taking the first exit. So check center mirror, left mirror, signal left. I'm slow approaching the roundabout. Look to my right side is clear, so I don't need to stop. I continue with the drive. learner asks if this road is a 40-mile road because it's a quite big road. So the answer to that is, obviously I will tell you for all the learners that drive on this road, is that in Huddersfield is 30 miles everywhere, unless the road sign tells you otherwise, unless the speed limit sign tells you otherwise. So if there's no speed limit sign of 40, it's a 30-mile road. So I'm turning left here. So mirror check signal left. Make sure you're going to the left here. You can't turn left off the traffic light, so you have to turn this little left on the one before the traffic lights. So look to my right side at the giveaway junction, so there's no one coming, so I continue with the drive. I'll move into the middle of the carriageway. So that was the middle lane that I moved into. Now it's become a left lane, and I'm going straight ahead at the traffic lights, following the lead sign. So I need to move into the middle lane. So check center mirror, left mirror, right mirror. I'm moving to the right lane. Signal off. So like I said, I'm following the sign to leads, and this particular traffic light, the signs to leads, is going straight ahead. You can stay in the middle lane or the second lane. That will take you to the signs that you need to follow, to leads. So there are two lanes here. Make sure you keep your car into the left lane. Merging into the right lane, so check center mirror, right mirror, and move into the right lane. And I'm turning next left, so check center mirror, left mirror, and I'll signal left. Slow down. Junction, I'm going to turn left, so check center mirror, left mirror, signal left. I'll slow down. Check the right side. After this car, the road is clear, so I can continue with the drive. So I'm taking the next turn right, so check center mirror, right mirror, signal right. Look for a safe gap to take the turn. So the silver car just flashed the lights at me, giving me way, so I'm taking that. So now that I've just overtook this big lorry on the left, I'll move back to my side. I can see there's a cyclist in front of me. Now assess the gap. So the oncoming car is just flashed the lights again at me, so I'll carry on with the drive. So thank you to him. This car just pulled out of the left side, so I'll slow down, and now I'll continue with my drive. So I can see the cyclist on the pavement, so obviously just keep eye on him in case he comes back onto the road. Approaching mini roundabouts, I'm turning right at the mini roundabout. So check center mirror, right mirror, signal right. Check my right side is clear, so I continue with the drive. So I can see there's oncoming cars. I slow down. And now I can continue with my drive. Just give a sign. I have priority. There's no oncoming cars, so I continue with the drive. And even if there were oncoming cars, I had priority over them, so I would still carry on with my drive. I would not stop for them unless they fail to stop. So I'm turning next right, so check center mirror, right mirror, signal right. The oncoming car is now moving, so I continue with my turn. Turning right into the test center, so check center mirror, right mirror, signal right. Look for the oncoming cars, it's clear. So I continue with the turn, and I'm turning next left, check center mirror, left mirror, signal left, and continue with the turn. So like I will be asked to pull up on the left side, so check center mirror, left mirror, signal left, and pull up on the left, close to the fence. Make sure you leave enough room for the examiner to get out of the car. So this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please like the button, like and subscribe to the channel, and share with your family and friends. Thank you for watching.